today's video, we will be discussing one of the most powerful features in your shop, flexible promo campaigns. With flexible promo campaigns, you can set the start date for your promo campaigns individually for each one of your spread shops. To get started, simply log into your spread shop account, navigate to your spread shop, select the spread shop you'd like to edit, go to Prices and Promos, Promo Campaigns. Now, once you're on this page, you can see the available promotions on your left and the promotional calendar on the right. Select the promo calendar you'd like to edit, and you can choose the start date to be 30 days earlier or later. You also have the option to deactivate any promotions at any time. Having full control over promotions allows you to choose what dates work best for you and your customers. Taking advantage of these discounts increases sales and traffic to your shop. Be sure to share your discounts on social media for better visibility, and take advantage of events, anniversaries, and holidays to boost your sales even further. Feel free to check it out in your shop and read even more about it in our facts section. I hope that was helpful, and feel free to leave any comments below for any other features or design tips you'd like to have covered in the future. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.